These bacon, honey, and jalapeno party ribs can be done in 2 hours and are sweet, salty, spicy, and delicious. Take a rack of baby back ribs and flip them upside down. I'm removing the membrane because a lot of you commented that I should, and I don't really think it makes much of a difference, but I'm doing it anyways. You separate the ribs, place them in a bowl with olive oil and your favorite barbecue rub, smoking them in my pellet grill at 300 degrees, but you can do this in your oven as well. I'm just gonna cook them until they reach about 175. Flip them a couple times, spritz if you need to. It takes about an hour and a half. Place them in a foil pan. And you're gonna add butter, jalapenos, bacon, brown sugar, and barbecue sauce. Place that back on a smoker until they reach 200 degrees. The whole process takes about 2 hours. They're absolutely delicious and easy to make. They're sweet, spicy, salty, savory, everything that you want in a rib. These are so good. Hope you give them a try.